Called Jackson's hotel room at midnight, pretending to be Kelly, which is like a production coordinator, with changed call times. It's a girl. With a changed call time, telling him that his call time is now 3 a.m. Which only gives him 3 hours to sleep, and it's extremely early. The reason being is because Catherine doesn't like the way his new hair looks dyed. Don't shoot the messenger is what I said, but this is just the thing. You have to get up early. I'm so sorry. He's like, oh, okay, that's rough, but okay, I'll do it. So then he calls his manager and he says, guess what? They want to call me early because they don't like the way my new hair looks. And she goes, thank God. It looks terrible. So I call him back because I'm feeling bad at this point. I'm like, yo, Jackson, I was just kidding, it was me. There's no Kelly. And he goes, crap. He calls up his manager and tells her it was just a prank that one of my castmates did and she was backpedaling. Oh, no, I didn't think it looked terrible.